To withdraw USDT from an exchange in 2025, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a digital wallet that supports USDT, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and make sure it is securely set up. Next, log into your exchange account and navigate to the Withdrawal section, usually found under the Assets or Wallet tab. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and choose the network you want to use, such as Ethereum or TRC20, depending on the exchange and your wallet's compatibility. Then, enter the withdrawal amount and paste your USDT wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes, as transactions are irreversible. Review the withdrawal fees and estimated arrival time, and confirm the transaction. The exchange may require additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication or email confirmation, to ensure the security of your account. Once the withdrawal is processed, you can track the status of your transaction using a blockchain explorer. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, which may take several minutes to several hours, depending on the network congestion. Finally, verify that the USDT has been successfully deposited into your digital wallet. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, contact the exchange's customer support for assistance. Always prioritize security and use reputable exchanges and wallets to protect your assets.